I just cloned an entire YouTube channel in under 3 minutes. Not the videos themselves, the brain behind them, their style, their structure, their entire content strategy. And now I can chat with it like it's an actual creator. I can ask it questions, I can get video ideas, reverse engineer their editing patterns, all using a free Google tool that most people don't know exists. And I'm about to show you the exact workflow, including 2 browser extensions that automate the painful parts. So you can clone any channel you want and use it as your personal content consultant. This is NotebookLM by Google, and it's completely free. Most people use it to research notes, and that's completely fine. It can do the job particularly well, but I use it to build AI clones of successful YouTubers. And here's how it works. You feed it a channel's video transcripts. So for this example, I'm using Alex Hormozzi's channel because everyone knows who he is, and he's got thousands of videos. It analyzes everything: pacing, hooks, storytelling patterns, topic selection. Then you can literally chat with it. And I've done this with channels that are making $50,000 a month, channels with 500,000 subscribers, and channels in my niche that I'm studying. But here's a problem. NotebookLM wants you to add each video one at a time. Manually copy the link, paste it, and repeat. And if a channel has 200 videos, that's 200 manual imports. But we're not going to be doing that. Let me show you the slow way first, just so you understand why we need the hack. Open the channel and copy the first video link. Go back to NotebookLM, click on Add Sources, and where it says Websites, this is where you paste the link. Now do it again, find the second video, copy, paste, add. You see the problem, right? Alex Hormozzi's channel has over 4,000 videos. So I'd literally be here for hours just copying links. And that's where most people quit. But we're going to use 2 Chrome extensions that turns this into a 90-second process. The first extension is called Grabbit, and I'll drop a link in the video's description. Once installed, click the icon and go to More Settings. Scroll down to where it says Add New Action. And inside of here, we need to set up a few things. The first is the mouse button. So for most of us, it's going to be left click, and then you want to select a shortcut key. So I'm just going to use Command because I'm on a Mac. And then the last thing you need to do is configure the action. So for this, we want to copy URLs to a clipboard. Once you're happy with that, click on Save. And it's showing up this message for me because I've already done it. But if you're doing this for the first time, you're not going to see it. And that's it. That's Grabbit configured. It's a one-time setup. It takes about 30 seconds, but watch what happens. Go back to the channel that I want to clone, and using the shortcut key, load as many channels as you possibly can. The more you load, the better the clone is going to be. So I'm loading about 100 videos here, and that's 100 videos copied to your clipboard. The second extension is called Websync for NotebookLM. Again, I'll leave the link in the description, so go ahead and install it. And this tool lets you dump an entire list of URLs into NotebookLM in one shot. So once the extension is installed, click on it, and it'll bring up this pop-up. Select the name of your notebook. So for me, it's Alex Hormozzi, and then you will toggle to where it says From URL List. And where it says Paste or Drop URLs, you can paste all the URLs that you just copied to your clipboard. Press Import URLs, and NotebookLM starts crawling every video. It's extracting the transcripts, key points, structural patterns, everything. And this is the beauty of NotebookLM, because remember, Google also owns YouTube, so no other platform has access to this integration. And once it's done, you'll see a list of videos that are the sources on the left-hand side here. And this is where the magic happens, because NotebookLM is building a knowledge base of this entire channel's content strategy. And once it's done, you can chat to it like its creator. So let me show you. The first question I asked was, explain this channel's hook styles. And it came back with, this channel has several distinct styles of creative hooks, primarily focused on crafting compelling value propositions. It's got the core messaging hook, the Mr. Miyagi formula, which I've never heard of, by the way. So that's very interesting. But not only does it tell you the style, it'll actually reference which videos it came from. So you can click on these videos here and it'll take you to the video source. It highlights pain points, the unique mechanism, the high value lead magnet hooks, and a perceived likelihood of achievement risk. And remember guys, this is based off all the channel's data. You know, this isn't hallucination, and NotebookLM isn't going out to the internet to find this from forums like Reddit or using blog opinion pieces. This is information extracted directly from the channel. Another question I'll ask it is, how long is the average video? Because I want to know, does long form or short form make the most difference? So let's see what NotebookLM has to say. And as you expect with Alex Hormozzi, his best content, in my opinion, is long form. And it's even got the citations for where this information is coming from. So it's the link to the actual videos. And the last question I'll ask it is, explain the channel's editing style. Because if you're a content creator, you will know that editing is the biggest pain point for all creators. And it's where I spend most of my time creating these videos. And this is what NotebookLM came back with. It's got a delivery style, format length, purpose, and how Hormozzi builds his video content. And it's pulling this response from actual videos, citing specific examples, breaking down pacing, cuts, and B-roll usage. It shows you exactly which video and which part of the script. This isn't generic AI advice. This is reverse engineered intelligence from a real channel. You're basically getting a content consultant who studied every video this creator has ever made. But check this out. It gets even better. NotebookLM has 2 features that most people don't even know about. The first is audio overview. This creates podcast style conversation between 2 AI hosts summarizing your entire notebook.
Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we tear into a stack of articles, research, and expert notes to deliver, well, the single most critical knowledge you need right now.
Today we're focused entirely on the machinery.
And it's like having 2 people discuss the channel's strategy in a casual, digestible format. The next is video overview. This creates a slideshow slideshow style presentation with visuals and narration.
All right, so today we're going to break down the core principles of entrepreneur Alex Hormozi. We're talking a simple but super powerful framework for building a business that's, well, pretty much impossible to beat.
Both generated with one click, both pulling from the same knowledge base we just built. And you can use these for learning, for inspiration, for understanding patterns that you never notice manually. So here's what you just learned. Grabbit copies every video link from a channel in seconds. The NotebookLM Websync extension imports them all into NotebookLM instantly. And NotebookLM builds an AI clone that you can chat with, ask questions, and extract insights from. And it's all completely free. And if you want to know how you can use AI like this to make money, click on the link in the video description and sign up to the Automation Kings private community. Inside, I've got over 100 templates of automations that I personally built, automations that I built for clients, AI side hustles, and more. The link is in the description. Sign up and I'll see you on the other side. And if the penny dropped whilst you watch this video, do me a solid, smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.